What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, we are going to talk about what you can expect with the upcoming Notion Mail. Notion Mail is an upcoming email client set to launch in early 2025, designed to integrate seamlessly with the Notion workspace. It features customizable inbox views, AI-driven automation, and direct links to Notion Calendar for scheduling. By streamlining email management within a familiar interface, Notion Mail aims to enhance productivity and organization for users. Now, let's discuss what you can expect with this one. New and modern inbox. Notion Mail encourages users to leave behind the cluttered and rigid traditional inbox. It offers a fresh take on email management, allowing for customization that aligns with individual workflows. This shift not only enhances productivity, but also transforms emails into a tool that actively supports users in navigating their professional tasks and communications effectively. Personalized inbox views. The Views feature in Notion Mail allows users to create personalized inbox layouts tailored to specific workflows. By clustering emails based on categories such as projects or recruitment, users can easily focus on what matters most at any given time. This customization helps streamline email management, reducing overwhelm and improving overall efficiency in handling communications. Intelligent Autopilot feature. Notion Mail incorporates automation features that handle routine tasks such as scheduling and follow-ups. By utilizing AI, it minimizes the need for manual intervention in back-and-forth communications. This autopilot capability not only saves time but also ensures that important tasks are completed promptly, allowing users to concentrate on more critical aspects of their work. Effortless auto-reply. The auto-reply feature in Notion Mail simplifies communication by automatically responding to incoming messages based on predefined criteria. This functionality ensures timely responses even when users are busy, maintaining professional engagement without the constant need to monitor emails. It enhances workflow efficiency and helps manage expectations with clients and colleagues alike. Smooth away everyday annoyances. Notion Mail aims to eliminate minor irritations associated with traditional email systems such as spam filtering and disorganized threads. By providing a streamlined interface and intelligent sorting capabilities, it reduces distraction and allows users to focus on essential communications. This thoughtful design enhances the overall user experience, making email management less burdensome and more intuitive. Launch timeline. Notion Mail is currently in a preview phase with an official launch expected in early 2025. Users can join a waitlist for early access to the service. In conclusion, Notion Mail is poised to revolutionize email management by integrating seamlessly with Notion Workspace. With features like customizable views, intelligent automation, and effective auto-replies, it empowers users to enhance productivity and streamline communication. By addressing common frustrations, Notion Mail promises a more efficient and enjoyable email experience. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.